Hey, what's going on, guys? Ryan DePaul here. So, if you're watching this video, it's because you're looking for either a lead generation system, a marketing platform, or a virtual assistant to take care of your leads for your business. And you're actually in the right spot because you can get all those all in one spot where I'm going to show you right now. So, I'm actually going to be talking about Nowsite and SalesPro and SalesFlow all in this video. We're going to be talking about an update that's happening with the price and everything and some of the new features that's coming back. Yes, SalesFlow's coming back. SalesPro coming back. And what we're going to be doing is talking about that and going over that all in depth about it right now. Well, technically, I won't be talking about it. I'm going to be allowing the VP of Sales and the CEO and founder of Nowsite, Justin Bellababa, and Cheryl Coco, the VP of Sales, to explain to you and go over everything all in one. So with that said, don't leave, stay tuned, and if you haven't, hit that like button and go ahead and subscribe because here we go.
Okay.
Hey, Cheryl, before you do that, let me just
go ahead.
I just want to set this up a little bit, okay?
Oh, let me stop sharing then. Go for it.
Yeah, so look, so obviously we've we have come a long way and learned a lot since April, way back in April, when we first introduced SalesFlow. Clearly, this is a very, very valuable tool. It is, by far the fastest selling tool we've ever had. The feedback is amazing. The results are amazing. This is a lead generation system that actually works, which is not a small thing. So as soon as we launched SalesFlow back then, we knew very quickly that we had something special. Since then, if you've been kind of plugged in, you would see that we have been looking for ways to improve it, looking for ways to add more value, as we always do, right? So improvements to the product itself, but also improvements to the way that we present it, the way that we sell it, the way that we support it. And two big things have, and I think we can all agree, two big things have stood out as huge enhancements and sources of kind of excitement and value, right? So there's the basic SalesFlow plan, obviously that has been a huge success. The introduction of unlimited prospects, unlimited leads, unlimited enhancements has been was an addition to the product that got a ton and still gets a ton of interest and is obviously, for most people, critical to the product. And then most recently, SalesPro, right? I think SalesPro was the fastest selling feature or product we've ever released, like faster than anything ever. Exceeded our expectations to the point where we had to kind of pump the brakes for the last week or so while we scale up, hire dozens of assistants so that we're ready for the huge growth that's coming. So we introduced these as kind of add-ons, and we experimented with other things that didn't kind of resonate like these kind of two major elements did. And so now what we want to share with you is 4 or 5 months later, we now have a very clear idea of how to position SalesFlow, this unlimited leads, unlimited enhancements, and SalesPro into a very simple, easy to understand framework. And that's going to be what you see today. Okay.
All right. Thank you, Justin. Okay, we're going to go back and share the screen. So we're going to share the plans and pricing starting September 1st. So we all know our base subscription that we have currently, which is SalesFlow, that we all love so much. Well, there's no change to that monthly plan. With SalesFlow, you get 100 targeted prospects, 20 contact enhancements, of course, 10 personality reports, 2 websites and sales funnels, and of course, unlimited contacts and a CRM. Well, the annual plan for SalesFlow, that price is going to increase to $480. Currently, I believe the price for SalesFlow is $444, so that's going to increase to $480. And of course, with the SalesFlow annual plan, it's the same, the 100 targeted prospects, 20 contact enhancements, 10 personality reports, 2 websites, and unlimited contacts and the CRM. So you can see the difference with that SalesFlow plan, really no change to the monthly and an increase in the annual plan for SalesFlow, which is the base subscription that we're all familiar with. But everyone wants a plan that includes unlimited leads, right? We all love unlimited leads, and everyone wants a plan that they can offer that includes unlimited leads. Well, we will be introducing that plan, and that plan is called SalesGrow. So now you have SalesFlow and SalesGrow. With SalesGrow, you have an $89 a month plan, and that includes unlimited targeted prospects, unlimited contact enhancements, 100 personality reports, 2 websites and sales funnels, and unlimited contacts and a CRM. So now we have the plan that you can offer come September 1st, monthly for $89 a month, known as SalesGrow.
And I just want everyone to notice that 100 personality reports, right? That's new. Like even in the unlimited plans that we have today, it's unlimited prospects, unlimited enhancements, but we are increasing the personality reports by 10 times.
Yeah, which is pretty amazing. Thank you. So that's our monthly SalesGrow plan, but we'll also have an annual SalesGrow plan where you can save and get 2 months for free. It includes those same things: unlimited targeted prospects, unlimited contact enhancements, 100 personality reports, and 2 websites and sales funnels. But now you have that SalesFlow with unlimited targeted prospects and more. Of course, you can get the 2 months for free and $888 annually. What about a plan? I know the next question, right? What about a plan that includes unlimited leads and SalesPro? Can we offer a plan that includes unlimited leads and SalesPro? Yes, we'll be able to introduce the SalesPro plan. Now, I know before we get to this next slide, it's amazing. So everybody gets super close, okay? So you'll have the option to share 3 plans. That's the SalesFlow plan, the SalesGrow plan, and the SalesPro plan. So what's included in SalesPro? Everything that's in SalesGrow, plus your own sales assistant to contact 500 targeted prospects and generate hot leads for you every day. Now, that's at the amazing price of $139 a month. Can I get a SalesPro here in the chat? Everybody put SalesPro here in the chat. If you're excited about the 3 plans, I know we have the most popular one. I'm super excited about having the opportunity to offer everyone that SalesPro plan come September 1st. Great. There will also, of course, be a SalesPro annual plan that you can offer where your new customer, or you, of course, can get SalesPro 2 months for free, and they'll be billed $13.92 annually. I think we have somebody who's not muted. Got it. Okay. So now we have SalesFlow, SalesGrow, and SalesPro coming September 1st. So SalesPro will be available for sale on September 1st with a brand new setup process. At the beginning of this, Justin was talking about each one of the plans and how they were add-ons and how we kind of pumped the brakes on SalesPro. So I'm excited for the opportunity for everyone to be able to offer again. We've been working on this new setup process, and SalesPro setup will be super fast and easy. Some of you even have had the opportunity to experience this setup, and it's done instantly via live chat 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Come September 1st, we have over 100 new sales assistants to service all of our customers and clients, just like yourselves and your new customers. So SalesPro will be set up really, really quickly, right on live chat, just like some of you have already experienced come September 1st with all of our new sales assistants. So what about marketing? We've shared the 3 great plans with you all, but what about marketing? Updated pricing, marketing, $49 a month, $480 a year, just like SalesFlow, right? Same pricing, $49 a month, $480 a year. And you have the SalesFlow and marketing bundle, which will be $89 a month and $888 a year. So just updated pricing there for marketing. Like I said, $49 a month, $480 a year. And then you have the SalesFlow and marketing bundle, which is $89 a month and $888 a year. Let's just kind of give it a recap. Okay. So September 1st, 3 great plans. SalesFlow, $49 a month. SalesGrow, which I'll just say includes unlimited leads, right? $89 a month. And then SalesPro, which includes unlimited leads and a sales assistant that will outreach to 500 prospects for you for $139 a month. Plus, you'll have the option to add marketing, which I just want to share with you all, gives you the ability to earn more than ever by offering these 3 plans up front. Affiliates can earn from any plan their new customers purchase as of September 1st. Affiliates can earn from any plan their new customers purchase as of September 1st. I hope you all know that this slide was coming. But wait, there's more. Like, duh, of course, come on, Cheryl. Right? It wouldn't be a Cheryl presentation without, but wait, there's more. Would it? Well, we want to make sure that we finish August strong with 2 great sales offers. Right? We have September 1st that's coming and you're prepared for it, but we don't want to forget about August now, do we? We want to close that month with 2 great sales offers. So let's talk about those 2 great offers. We have offer number 1. New customers can still get unlimited leads for free for their first month. So that offer is being extended. New customers can still get unlimited leads for free for their first month. That offer will end August 29th. And you know the deal, use code LEADS. Use code LEADS. Don't worry, I'll make sure you guys get the flyer later. Let's talk about offer number 2. All customers can save $100 by purchasing an annual plan now. All customers can save $100 by purchasing an annual plan now. Let me go through this with you, okay? So if you purchase our SalesFlow or marketing annual plan now, you can get it for $380. That's reduced from our current plan and from September 1st price of $480. So you're saving $100. When you purchase our SalesFlow or marketing annual plan now, you can get it for just $380. That is not going to last long. That offer is going to end August 29th. If you have a new customer that wants to take advantage of this offer, they can use code 380. You already know it's coming to an end, okay? So that's really, these offers going to end August 29th. If you are an existing customer and you want to take advantage of this offer and save $100, all you have to do is email support Just let them know. Email support. You can even go inside the instant chat and let them know that you want to save $100. How about that instant cash bonus? There's a $50 instant cash bonus on offer 1 and 2. Remember, offer 1 is free unlimited leads. Just use code LEADS. And offer 2 is save $100 on annual. Use code 380. So $50 instant cash bonus. Sorry, on offer 1 and 2. Offer 1 is free unlimited leads. Use code LEADS. Offer 2 is save $100 on annual marketing or SalesFlow annual. Use code 380. Both offers and August 29th. That's it. It will be over. I'm telling you, that's the end, August 29th. There's one more slide though. I want to make sure that you're all paying attention. Here we go. Our next presentation will be Thursday, September 1st at 1 p.m. Eastern Time, right here, nowsite.today. It will be our official launch of SalesPro and another major announcement that you do not want to miss. We're telling you now because you do not want to miss that major announcement, September 1st. Make sure that you join us. If you have guests, if you have people that are waiting on edge, cannot wait for SalesPro to launch, they want to take advantage of it, make sure that your guests come too. Remember, this isn't just for affiliates. It's not just for customers. It's for affiliates, existing customers, and potential customers. You do not want to miss Thursday, September 1st for our official launch of SalesPro and another major announcement.
And I'm back. And what did I tell you? So like they said, you want to get on this ASAP. Hopefully you're seeing this before the price goes up and you get grandfathered in. But hey, this is actually some great things, some great tools for your business, take your business to the next level, whether it's SalesFlow, SalesGrow, and SalesPro. That's amazing. But yes, you can add on the marketing if you want to as well, but we're focusing on those right there. So as you heard Cheryl go over the prices and everything, those are key. So you want to get into that one. I have it. I love it. I've been using it and it's been amazing. The results I've been getting, you can actually find my results and see my results on my other video that I have on my channel. If you're subscribed, you can go and look at the videos and see that SalesPro results. And yeah, guys, this is a game changer. This is great. I mean, I love it. So the fact that I have this, I can use with any business. It's not competing with any business. It's actually help my businesses grow. It's amazing. And if you want to, you can actually make some money with this too as well, because they do have an affiliate program. So just for using the product, the service, and then getting the results you want, and then other people are, what are you doing? What are you doing? You're killing over there. There you go. You can actually do the same thing and get some extra commissions for referring. So hopefully you got some good value from this video. Hopefully you got all your questions answered. If not, feel free to put them in the comment below, or you can even go ahead and call me or text me. My number's in the description below as well. That's my direct line. So if you don't feel comfortable calling me, no problem. You can text me. I do answer. And I do interact with the people on my YouTube channel and videos. So when you comment, I do answer and will answer your questions. So if you don't have any other questions, oh, by the way, if you haven't already done so, go ahead and hit that big red button below. Yep, the subscribe button. And right next to it is a little bell. Hit that and hit all, because anytime I put out any new videos, YouTube is going to send you a notification saying, hey, Ryan DePaul put out a new video. You like this last one, you might want to check out this one too. So yeah, guys, with that one, hopefully you guys got all the answers, your questions answered. If you didn't, feel free to hit me up, or we can get you in the right direction. And yeah, guys, so until the next one, take care, be safe, and be blessed.